Today we are going to learn about mastering constructive code review feedback. This video will teach you how to provide constructive feedback during code reviews, enhancing both code quality and team dynamics.
Welcome to our session on mastering constructive code review feedback. In this video, we'll explore the significance of providing constructive feedback during code reviews. Constructive feedback plays a pivotal role not only in refining code quality but also in nurturing a collaborative and positive team environment. By engaging with this session, you will acquire essential skills for delivering feedback that benefits both the code and the team. We'll delve into understanding the purpose of code review feedback, addressing common pitfalls, and mastering techniques to frame feedback positively. Let's begin our journey towards enhancing both technical and interpersonal dynamics within your team.
Code review feedback serves multiple crucial purposes. At its core, the primary goal is to enhance the quality of the codebase. By identifying potential issues early, teams can avoid costly mistakes down the line. However, it's not just about catching errors. Code reviews also promote team collaboration. They provide an opportunity for team members to learn from each other, share knowledge, and grow together. This collaborative effort contributes to a culture of continuous improvement, where everyone is committed to delivering the best possible product. Moreover, code reviews facilitate learning and growth for individual developers. They provide a platform for receiving constructive criticism and understanding different perspectives on solving problems. Ultimately, mastering code review feedback means recognizing these multifaceted purposes and striving to achieve them in every review.
While the intention behind giving feedback is often positive, there are common pitfalls that can undermine its effectiveness. One major error is making feedback too personal. It's crucial to focus on the code, not the developer. Avoid statements that may come across as personal criticism and instead, aim to provide specific, actionable feedback. Another common pitfall is providing vague feedback. Comments like this could be better leave the developer unsure of what needs to be improved. Instead, be clear and precise about what needs attention and offer suggestions for improvement. Balancing positive and negative comments is also important. Overly negative feedback can demotivate, while only positive comments may not push for needed improvements. Lastly, time management is essential in the feedback process. Prolonged reviews can lead to fatigue and reduced productivity. Finding a balance in delivering concise, yet comprehensive feedback is key to an effective review process. Framing feedback positively is essential for maintaining a constructive and encouraging environment. One effective technique is using positive language. This doesn't mean sugarcoating issues but rather framing comments in a way that is supportive and constructive. Always focus on the code, not the coder. For instance, instead of saying, "You made a mistake here," you could say, "Let's explore a different approach for this code section." Providing context for your feedback is also vital. Explain why a change is necessary and how it aligns with team goals or coding standards. Suggesting alternatives is another powerful method. Instead of merely pointing out what's wrong, offer solutions or different approaches to tackle the problem. Lastly, don't forget to highlight strengths. Acknowledge areas where the developer has done well, as this reinforces positive behaviors and encourages continued excellence.
Balancing technical and interpersonal aspects during code reviews is crucial for effective feedback. Technical accuracy is important, but it should not overshadow the need for interpersonal sensitivity. Building rapport and trust with team members creates a safe space for open communication and collaboration. Encouraging open communication ensures that all team members feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas, leading to richer discussions and better outcomes. Maintaining a positive tone throughout the review process fosters a supportive environment where everyone feels valued and motivated to contribute. Remember, the goal is not just to improve the code, but to enhance team dynamics and create a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Examples are a powerful tool for clarifying feedback points during code reviews. They help to break down complex concepts and make them more accessible. When addressing a particular issue, providing an example of how it can be improved offers concrete suggestions to the developer. This visualization of improvements not only facilitates understanding but also empowers the developer to implement changes confidently. Examples can also serve as a reference for future code, promoting consistency and adherence to best practices. By using examples, you create a clearer path for improvement and foster a more productive and educational code review process. Encouraging dialogue and collaboration during code reviews enhances the overall feedback process. Fostering an environment where open discussion is welcomed allows team members to engage in meaningful conversations about the code. Active listening is a critical component of this process. By attentively listening to others' perspectives, you demonstrate respect and value for their input. Collaborative problem solving becomes more effective when diverse opinions are respected and considered. This not only leads to better solutions but also strengthens team cohesion. Creating a safe feedback environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas is essential for promoting continuous learning and improvement. By prioritizing dialogue and collaboration, you contribute to building a more engaged and productive team. When delivering critical feedback, using tools and phrases to soften the message can make a significant difference. Softening phrases such as "perhaps we could consider," or "have you thought about," help to frame the feedback in a more gentle and constructive manner. Utilizing constructive criticism tools, such as the sandwich technique, where positive feedback is provided before and after critical comments, can also be effective. Balancing the feedback tone ensures that the message is received as intended and encourages positive change. Maintaining professionalism throughout the feedback process is crucial for fostering a respectful and supportive environment. By using these tools and phrases, you can deliver critical feedback in a way that promotes growth and improvement while preserving team morale.
Measuring the impact of feedback on team and code quality is essential for continuous improvement. Assessing feedback effectiveness involves evaluating whether the feedback provided led to tangible improvements in the code. Tracking code quality improvements over time helps to identify trends in areas where the team excels or needs further development. Evaluating team dynamics is another important aspect, as effective feedback should contribute to a positive and collaborative team culture. By identifying areas for growth, teams can target specific skills or practices that need enhancement. Continuous feedback improvement is an ongoing process that involves refining the feedback approach based on insights gained from these assessments. By measuring the impact of feedback, teams can ensure that their efforts lead to meaningful and lasting improvements. Remote code reviews present unique challenges, primarily due to communication barriers. Ensuring clarity and feedback becomes even more critical when team members are not physically present. Utilizing collaboration tools, such as video conferencing and shared document platforms, can help to bridge the gap and facilitate more effective communication. Building virtual team rapport is essential for creating a supportive environment where feedback is received positively. Adapting feedback strategies to suit remote contexts, such as providing more detailed written comments or scheduling regular video check-ins, can help to overcome these challenges. By recognizing and addressing the specific obstacles of remote code reviews, teams can maintain effective feedback processes and continue to improve code quality and team dynamics. As we conclude this session on mastering constructive code review feedback, let's recap the key concepts we've covered. We explored the importance of constructive feedback in enhancing both code quality and team dynamics. By focusing on continuous learning and improvement, you can contribute to a more productive and positive team environment. Strengthening team dynamics through effective feedback is crucial for fostering collaboration and growth. We encourage you to apply the skills and techniques learned today in your code review processes. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this session has been informative and empowering. Keep striving for excellence in your feedback and coding practices.